Another day, another story. 2. Launch a dropshipping business. Consider dropshipping. Startup expenses are inexpensive, and it's an increasingly popular option for novices and experts alike to make money online. Dropshipping is a business concept in which the things you sell are not kept in stock. When a consumer purchases something from your store, a third party fulfills and ships the order on your behalf. Dropshippers can profit from the latest trends by selling trending products, or they can choose from a variety of stable product categories that offer similar potential for success. Time to get started: a few hours. Startup effort: very simple with little e-commerce understanding. Average time to first payment: 2 weeks to 1 month. What you should know: clothing and accessories, jewelry, and home and garden are among the top performing categories on Shopify. You may set up a Shopify store and test it out for free. Using Shopify payments, the pay period is 5 days plus the number of days before your payout day. Requirements: to open a Shopify store, you must be at least 18 years old. If you are under the age of 18, your parents can open one for you. To sell online, you must have licenses or permits, which differ by state. 3. Begin freelancing. Offering freelancing services to clients online is a growing home business idea. Freelance writing, graphic design, data entry, digital marketing, virtually every position that an online firm would hire for may be done as a freelance service. I've spent years at Shopify working with writers, illustrators, and designers, the majority of whom make a full-time living from freelancing rather than doing it part-time. Almost all of these services are best suited to business clients for the same reason that business software is a desirable product: business clients are ready to spend. Most freelancers quickly discover that when they pitch their labor as results rather than deliveries, they have more negotiating power over the amount they can charge. In other words, businesses pay freelance writers to develop content that promotes traffic and leads, not to hone their writing skills. Sell clients on the outcome and, where possible, back it up with customer evidence such as case studies and testimonials. The final consideration for these firms is that they represent a direct exchange of time for money. You can make a lot of money with a small number of high-paying clients, but once you quit working, the cash flow stops. You might be able to transform a freelance business into more of an agency by hiring support to handle some client tasks. Startup time varies according to service. Startup effort: medium. The time it takes to get the first payment varies. What you should know: gather consumer evidence instances, studies, and testimonials to help you land your next job. Because freelancing is a direct money for time exchange, you may eventually want to expand your business model to include a separate asset. Sell clients on the outcome you can provide, then demonstrate it. Understand your worth. You have the authority to determine your own prices. Requirements: the ability to communicate with clients and meet deadlines. A laptop and an internet connection are required. To work on freelance marketplaces, you must be at least 18 years old.